I am Buffer and welcome to India. After 1 month off, I'm back out on the road and we're gonna have a really good month ahead of us. I'm excited about this trip. I haven't been to India in just about 20 years. And also on this one, I am with my son, Donovan, somewhere in this camera, and Gerald, the best rickshaw driver in India. Down here, we have Chandi Chowk. It's the largest market in India, and we are about to go explore it. Now, I've been through this spice section to get here, and you're gonna see a lot of sniffling, coughing, runny noses. This is our third day in Delhi, still haven't adjusted to the time change. And it's a tough one to adjust to because not only is there a 10-hour difference from where we came from in the States, it's a culture shock. There's a lot to get used to. Your senses bombarded from every direction. And here we have the palace. The smell is intense. There's a lot of spices I recognize, and there is a lot that I do not.
Some is export wholesaler here.
Export? Oh, this is a
wholesaler, big quantity.
Wholesaler, whole country. Oh, wow. And it burns, My nose is running. You hear everyone coughing and sneezing, even the people that work here all the time.
The ginger and cardamom, the fresh wine.
I already have a fresh wine.
I bring the people here, they're sitting there, they're drinking tea. So my rickshaw,
everyone needs to come here for the best tea.
Yeah, and then many tourists coming American. Oh, I know this man rickshaw driver.
So they wholesale the tea here, but then all the workers live here still.
Yes, sir. Not the family, just people working spice.
Just the workers,
just
no families.
No family. This is coriander, export here.
We have a nice old bike. We got snot rockets flying everywhere. We got the men carrying the spices. There's bags and bags of spices. Cinnamon, that's the biggest cinnamon I've ever seen. Yeah, so the first 2 days here, we really dealt with the jet lag hard, but we managed to get around and see some of the sights. We saw the Red Fort.
Okay.
We saw the Lotus Temple.
Yeah.
We saw Humayun's tomb. Oh man. But we saved the best for last. Taken out by a bag of spice. Now about a month ago, India passed China as the most populated country in the world. 1.55 billion people. In Delhi, there's 15 million people?
Yeah, oh, in Delhi 15 million.
15 million people.
Yes, sir.
It is very crowded. The traffic is pretty intense. Just crossing the street can be an adventure. The people, the chaos, the sights, the sounds, everything hits you from every direction at all times. Definitely not a travel destination for the week. Put you to the test. My eyes are watering so bad right now. We're walking out, and we are going to be in the street. And there's Hindu temples?
Yeah, Hindu temple 1,000 years old.
Are you Hindu?
I am Muslim.
Muslim?
Yeah, but I like all together people.
I like all together people.
See some water, spicy and tea, mango tea, green tea. Look about knowledge if you want.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
Point out everything interesting. See the old buildings.
Then this shop is very famous. 1917.
For you right now.
Loofahs, baskets. We have different types of pots and pans, dried fruits hanging on rings, seeds. There's just too much to see and too much to point out. We have different types of street food being eaten. We have what looks like a hardware kitchenware store. We left our bicycle rickshaw, Gabriel's, and it is hot. And this is the neighborhood of Chandi Chowk.
Yes, sir.
And it is in Old Delhi, and was established 400 years ago. And they closed this road to any motorized traffic except some scooters, and so everyone is getting by on rickshaws. Indian helicopters.
Yes. Yes, please.
So Donovan, you have any impressions of India?
Let's move here.
Let's move here.
Yeah.
Donovan is very well traveled. So this is your third country this year.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's been to France, Italy.
Fourth, including Vatican City.
Oh, Vatican City. How's this compared to France?
It's more entertaining.
The electrical wiring here is crazy. It looks so chaotic, but I guess it makes sense to someone. And the real India.
Yes.
This man is stuck under the wires. Oh, these wires are crazy here. And the one rickshaw driver is stuck again. I don't know why he has such a... Oh, that's a... He's carrying some type of load. There must be more spices here or something.
Look at the narrow street.
That is. That's chaos. Anarchy. Anarchy wiring. Dresses. It's all types of really colorful dresses and saris and scarves and other garments. Fabrics. Hello. All right, we are going deeper and deeper into the market of Chandi Chowk. As the wires are getting lower, the roads are getting thinner and more packed. There's more traffic jams. Ah, we have gems here, gems being sold. And we appear to be stuck. And so far, I haven't seen anyone else that looks like a tourist here. We hit a spot. We're off of that road. Very old doorways and buildings, and just been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. Still lives here.
Yeah, they live here.
A member of parliament.
Beautiful.
We just did a tour of this Jain temple on the inside. It's made out of complete white marble, and stunning. The inside was all mosaics. Yeah, wish we could have videotaped it, but I understand. We're now going back out, and we're gonna walk a bit. Gerald's gonna do a walking tour. He does rickshaw tours and walking tours.
First floor very old. See the pillar here. Now the empty people not to take his care. What time down? Nobody. Yeah, very old.
काम हो जाएगा तो ठीक है, ना होएगा तो हम अपना करवा लेंगे।
Air conditioner. It's very cool, very nice. It's working, it's very cool in front of that fan. Whoa.
You see the temple, very old.
Very old.
This is a stone, not wood, stone.
Yeah, it looks like wood.
Yeah, look like wood but stone.
It looks like we have a lot of work, construction on this street. Thank you. Some type of deep fried noodle. And the buildings up here are leaning in on each other, and they're insanely close together.
Watch out.
There's narrow alleyways every direction you look. It'd be very, very easy for me to get lost in here. So we are back on the rickshaw.
Saleem.
Oh, it got me. Ow. We can get out here.
No, I will drop to the main road near Red Fort.
Okay. We can get there from here. Well, there you have it. The best rickshaw tour of Old Delhi with Saleem. Saleem, now I get his real name. Me, Buffer, Donovan. Highly recommend. Great tour. We saw so much cool stuff, and I was going to do it by myself, but there's no way we would have navigated those streets and saw what we saw. So, ciao.